Want to launch your very own WordPress website on fast cloud hosting without touching a line of code? In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to launch a WordPress site using UpCloud. One of the fastest cloud VPS providers out there, it's super beginner friendly. Let's jump in. Why UpCloud? They are known for super fast SSD performance, 100% uptime at global server locations, plus they offer a free trial with 25 credits, a $25 credit, more than enough to launch and test your WordPress site. Now head over to upcloud.com and sign up for free account. You can use my referral link in the description to get $25 free credit. Once then click sign up, then enter your first and last name, enter email address, then click on I'm not a robot, then verify that, and click on get started button. Now check your email inbox for confirmation, then verify email, then then choose your username like this, then create a strong password, your phone number and your country, and check this box icon and create account. Boom. Now log into the control panel. Go to log into control panel and enter your username and password, then enter your PIN and login. Once you verify your email and card, you will land in the UpCloud dashboard. Now let's launch your WordPress site. Click servers, then deploy servers. In the choose OS section, go to applications, then select WordPress. Choose a location, pick the nearest data center to your target audience. For the plan, the $5 per month option is perfect for beginner. Remember, you are using free credits. Set your host name like my blog server, and then click deploy and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. Boom, you have now deployed a server with WordPress pre-installed. Once it's ready, click the server and look for the public IP address. Open a browser and type in HTTP, your IP, address slash wp dot admin to log in your dashboard. If you already have a domain, let's point it to your server. Go to your domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Find DNS settings and an a record host @ points to your UpCloud IP. Then TTL leave as a default. Now wait for 5 to 10 minutes and you will be able to access your site via your domain name. To install SSL and make your site HTTPS, log into your server via the console or use a tool like RunCloud or Server Pilot for a no-code SSL setup. If you prefer the manual way, install cardboard using one command and you are done. But honestly, using RunCloud with UpCloud makes life super easy, worth checking out. Now you can start customizing. Go to WordPress, then scroll down, then select appearance, then themes, then go to plugins section and install Elementor, whatever you need. You now have a lightning fast WordPress website, live, secure and scalable, all running on UpCloud. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.